Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my RankAlly review. We're going to be taking a close look at RankAlly, and also, most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving you to get you the best results with RankAlly. This goes live on the 20th of February by 10 a.m. Eastern Time. This is a cloud based software that does a couple of things. So it allows you to actually provide ranking services to business owners. So it gives you the opportunity to actually do that in a number of ways. So it allows you to find these local business owners just by putting in your keyword, and then you can actually find these businesses. You can find their emails, you can find phone numbers, but also, most importantly, it allows you to offer these ranking services. So with the RankAlly software, you can basically go ahead and rank your videos. Now you can actually rank the businesses for these business owners just by using the power of videos. So you're going to be able to rank your videos using the RankAlly software. Now the benefit of this is you can actually offer this as a service on marketplaces like Fiverr, offer video ranking services to people. Now you can rank your own videos for keywords, and then you can actually get traffic by ranking your own videos. Now, of course, you can rank videos for these business owners, provide these services, and get paid just by using the RankAlly video ranking software. So you are going to see how this works in this review. Also, you're going to find a full demo of RankAlly right here on this bonus page. I'm going to go through my custom bonuses right now, and then I'm also going to let you see how RankAlly works. So bonus number one, you're going to be getting access to a video traffic software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic using other people's viral videos. This does not require you to create any videos. This also does not require video ranking at all. You would be using videos that have already gone viral that are still getting a ton of views. So you're going to be able to log into the cloud-based software, search for videos using any keyword in any niche, and then you can select whichever video you want. Place your links on top of these videos. Place your affiliate links on these videos. You can upload images that will show up on the playback of these videos, and when people click on these images, it's going to take them to your link. You can even have clickable call to actions or even opt-in forms on these videos, to build your list and drive a ton of traffic. This would be one of the easiest way you can actually make money with affiliate marketing, because you're going to be getting access to some high quality traffic that you can use for affiliate offers. Also, bonus number two, I'm going to be showing you in a training based on my own experience how to get paid with videos. Now, so many people understand they can actually make money with videos, but they are not so comfortable showing their face on camera. So I'm going to be showing you a couple of ways you can actually make money, especially on YouTube, with simple videos to create that even teenagers could create these videos. I'm going to be giving you information on free software you can use, freely download to edit this, to create or even edit these videos, and then a couple of ways to make money with this video, even as a complete newbie. Also, bonus number three, you're going to be getting access to another software that allows you to create doodle videos. You've probably seen these videos on YouTube. These videos get people's attention every single time. You're going to be getting access to this video, and you can use this video even if you are using Windows or Mac. You're going to be able to use these doodle videos to create some attention grabbing videos for any purpose. Also, bonus number four, you're going to be getting access to Quora Traffic Quora Traffic software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic from Quora without you having to create content or answer other people's questions, so to speak. Also, bonus number five, you're going to be getting access to a WordPress training where I show you how to create your own website. As someone who has years of experience with web design, I am going to be showing you how to create your own website, how to set it up, how to get domain name, how to get hosting, put everything together to work for you. And you can even go ahead, offer this as a service to businesses or on marketplaces like Fiverr. Apart from being able to create your own affiliate website, your blog, or your e-commerce website. Bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to done for you PowerPoint video templates that are easily customizable. The benefit here is you don't need any special software to edit or customize these templates. Just load them up in PowerPoint and then you can customize and export them to MP4 videos. You can go and use on any video platform. Bonus number 7, you are going to be getting access to some done for you custom HD intro videos. You can use this, on any project, and this allows your videos, to pop, and also this allows you to get retention on your videos because you can actually grab people's attention within the first, few seconds on your videos. And of course, bonus number 8, you get access to all the vendor bonuses also. Now to claim these bonuses, simply click on any of the red buttons on this page and it's going to take you to the sales page of RankAlly, where you're going to be able to pick up RankAlly and where you're going to be getting full information about this also. So it says, take the fast track to massive success in local marketing. New app finds desperate local business owners willing to pay you big bucks to blast their videos to #1 on Google. Tap into the $154.6 billion industry and you could be the one profiting big by getting your clients new customers. Come check out the video presentation and also come check out the sales page in your own time once this goes live 20th of February. Now let's talk about the pricing, and then I'm also going to let you see how RankAlly works. The pricing, the front end goes for a one-time fee of 19, but you can actually, I guess you're going to find a pop-up that allows you to pick that up at just $17, which is cool. And then there's some optional upgrades like the RankAlly Pro that goes for 39, which you can decline and pick up for 29. You have the RankAlly Enterprise, you have the RankAlly V-Rank Special, you have the RankAlly DFY Resources, which are all optional upgrades. Right now I'm going to let you see the full demo of RankAlly. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.
Hey everyone, how you doing? Welcome to this demo for RankAlly. What the software does is it finds local businesses who want to be ranking their businesses, and they want to be using it. They want to be using videos for that purpose. So what we do is we help them rank their videos and therefore rank their listings. So the first thing that we do is we go to Lead Finder and we type in a keyword, and what do we go for? Say dog walking, location, we'll go for Los Angeles. We'll go for 10 kilometers radius and we'll do a little search, see what comes up. So you can either have only leads with emails, with phone, or a certain rating. So I've just left that open for now, but obviously you can, the more focused you want to be, you can. And let's just wait for that to come up and then we'll take it from there. Just let's wait here. Okay, so there you go. The results are in. Some of them are going to have email, some of them aren't. What we can do is we can add these various businesses to our databases of customers to contact later. We can verify the email, we can send an email to them, and we can search a video from their business. That's going to be the target for us to go out and rank for them. So this is where we do the prospecting, the lead finder, the email templates to get a hold of business owners. We can manage them once we've added them to our database. We can create different projects for them, and we can have a calendar for different tasks. So this is the prospecting bit, and this is here the keyword suggestion, and downwards is where we do the ranking. And then so this here, keyword suggestion, competition research, video optimization, and tags finder is the ranking part. And this is where we promote their video, and we can also do outreach to influencers for even more traffic for them. So these are all services that we provide them. So we find the opportunities, we do the actual ranking work, and then we promote the videos, not just through SEO. So let's continue with this. And let's say, so we've just built a database. We can email them from the software. And then what we want to be doing is the actual SEO work. So if we go to keyword suggestion, say we go for dog walking, do a little search. You can see various suggested keywords and the search competition as well. So the lower it is, the easier it is going to be to rank. And if we want to go into paid ads, you can see the suggested bid as well. So that can give people an idea whether they can afford it or not. And then we can have a look at the competition as well. So again, we're going to have a look at dog walking. And this is the video optimization. So if we go for, say, dog walking, let's have a look at, what I'll do is I'll fill this and I will do a little optimization of that video. Okay, I just filled the video title, the video description, and a couple of tags, and you can see real time I get a commentary on how good my YouTube SEO score. So what I want to be doing is just increasing it as high as possible, possibly 100. So the tag should be at least 250 characters. So if I go to here and choose a few more, virtual dog walk, and movies for dogs, and let's see, focused keyword is not a title, so why don't we try adding that to here. Okay, so what I did is I've added dog walking here, a couple of new tags, and you can see it's gone up from 20 to 40. So we just need to be taking account of what the recommendations are to get to 100. And we've got the tags finder here. We could use these tags for our video. So all of that is going to get us high up in the SEO, and then we can actually promote. So what we need to do is we get to just put the video ID in there, and then you can promote it into each of these different platforms. And then what we can do is outreach to influencers. So say dog, say when we go training, I think we'll find more influencers like that. And there you go, you can see how many followers and how many tweets they have. You can export it. And then what we can do is also backlink the videos. So what you do is you give it video ID. You need to select a campaign, which you can create here. And then you just create the backlinks, and it automatically does that in the background. So hopefully you can see the power of this, because it gives us the ability to find hot prospects, contact them through email templates, manage them, do the work for them, and even go beyond just SEO for their videos. Thanks very much for looking at this demo, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. All the best. Bye-bye.